Hi guys, I am Preeti and today we are here to share a little bit about karma. What is karma? Now, this word actually is not the right word. It's not karma, it's karma. And what is karma and how does karma work? So, first of all, anything you think, you feel, you intend, or you do, that counts as karma. So you may say, okay, if I am thinking, how does that count as a karma? We will get into that. First, let's just see how karma works. So doing something good counts as a good karma, and doing something bad, hurting people, counts as a bad karma. Anywhere where good karma had to be done and you are not doing it, that also counts as a bad karma. Yeah. And so let's see how does karma affect the karma that you produce while you think. You may actually be confused that I have not done anything, I just thought of it. How is that bad karma? See, karma is something that it happens through you, whether you do it or you don't do it. So if you have a thought that, okay, let me just go and cheat that person, you just had this thought. Maybe you have this thought, it's like a persistent thought that comes to you very often, but you don't do it. Still, that thought energy that's continuously happening in your mind is going to infect the atmosphere around where you are thinking those kind of thoughts. So that is also a karma. When you continuously have those kind of thoughts, you will be inflicting those kinds of energies into the atmosphere, into that space, such that anybody who enters that space, that person is going to be infected with that kind of negative thoughts. This is where negative thoughts have a negative karmic charge. Second thing, negative feelings. So feelings are also something that will count as a good karma or bad karma. So if you feel bad about something, if you have a bad emotion for something, that will be considered as a bad karma. For example, somebody succeeded and you felt jealous of that success. You are not happy with their success. So that counts as a negative emotional charge that you have within you because of that person's success. So that definitely counts as a negative karma, negative emotional karma. Doing is something that actually counts, it counts as a karma and it carries more points, because if you do something good, it's going to have a lot of good energy. If you do something bad, it's going to have a lot of bad energy to you. If you do a good karma, that's going to free you from some negative energy from your space. And if you do a bad karma, you are going to attract some negative energy into your space. How does this work? Suppose there is a good person and you are doing something bad with them just because you have a lot of influence, a lot of monetary power, a lot of other powers. So you just try to harm that person, you try to hurt that person. what happens is that person may have some bad karma store. When you hurt them, you are giving away your good karma to them. Not all, but some. Depends on how badly you're trying to hurt them. You will give up some good share of good karmas that you have, and you will take away a share of bad karmas that they have in their store. That sucks, right? People don't think about that. People don't actually even know that can happen. Intention behind doing anything, that is what counts. If you have a bad intention while you are doing something, while you are doing a karma, but that bad doesn't work out, so does it count as a bad karma? See, you had that bad intention, though it did not work out in that manner, so it definitely is a bad karma on your part. That other person for whom you were planning to do that bad karma on, that other person may have such good positive karma store that your negative charge did not reach them. So see, it's the blessing that they have, but still you did not stop from doing something that was not good, so it counts as your bad karma. Also, if you are trying to do something good and let's say it doesn't work out in the right way, still that's going to be counted as a good karma. Yes. Also, see, let me give you a little word of caution here. I have seen people doing this, that if they feel that somebody is not doing the right thing according to them, they will continuously try to nag that person. Hey, you're not supposed to do this. This is the wrong thing. If you are going to do, that's your bad karma, this and that. You are not sure whether that is a bad karma or not, but because that person is doing that and you have experienced somebody else going through a bad phase after they did that kind of karma, so you're trying to continuously explain to that person. And suppose that task that they want to do, it is actually aligned on their path of their purpose, which is why they want to do it. They are feeling driven towards doing it, and you are trying to stop them. You are going to gather a negative karma badge for that. just be careful of that. About karma, everybody on this planet, they get what their karmic accounts are carrying for them. For example, Lord Ram, he is considered as the god, right? In Hindu religion, he is considered as the god, but even he paid for his karma. It is believed that Lord Ram killed Bali, while he was hiding. He definitely was helping Sugriv, but he was attacking Bali while he was in the hiding. So in the next birth, when he took birth as Lord Krishna gets killed by a hunter who actually was hiding, and he shot the arrow not knowing that it was some human. He felt that was an animal and he hit that. Everybody pays for their karma. Okay, don't think that anybody can escape it. Everybody on this planet, they have karma and they pay for their karma. So this is the video for karma. I hope that you like it. Let me know in the comments how did you like this video, and do share this video with as many people as you can, so that everybody gets to know what karma is. And we'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.